So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, yeah, but welcome back. I appreciate you guys coming back. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if it is helpful, and always leave me a comment. Always, I appreciate those. Yeah, so let's get into this video. Do an update review on this hair, and this hair is from Aliexpress. So I bought this hair from a vendor called Aliexpress. Yes, and before I start this video, it's not sponsored. None of my videos are sponsored. Shit, I'm broke. Nobody sponsored me. I'm just doing videos to help people find good hair for cheap price and good vendors for good price, pretty much. Take it upon myself to go and find hair, good vendors, so that way my viewers don't have bad experience anymore. So I got this hair. So when I was looking for this hair, I type in raw human hair, raw. I pretty much mean that it doesn't have anything, but it's AliExpress. It's a gamble. You ain't gonna find 100% human hair in AliExpress. It is possible. You have to have time and patience to look. So far, I have pretty good experience with this hair. Before I did this video, it took a long time to do it because I want to actually use the hair and experience the hair. I didn't just want to put the hair on and then do a video. That's not really me doing a video, just me lying. You know, I want to actually experience the hair, see how it is, see how it hold up before I come tell you guys how the hair is, because I want to be honest feedback here, you know what I mean? So yes, when I got the hair, I ordered the hair. The hair was here within 3 days, and very fast. This vendor used express shipping. I didn't even request express shipping. It says free shipping when you buy the hair, but she will ship the hair express, and she will also track the hair for you. Like, she will do a tracking for you once the hair is delivered. She will always email you and say hair is delivered and all this stuff. So that's pretty nice. And this hair is good quality hair so far. I've been wearing this hair every single day, and I mean, this hair is straight. It is straight, okay? Whenever you buy hair, sometimes, like when you buy straight hair, like sometimes it will become wavy if water touch it, anything, it will be wavy. It doesn't stay bone straight. I haven't straightened this hair since I bought it. I put it on anything, I'm not lying. And usually in my job, I work for a customer service call center. I usually braid my hair. Like, I usually do 2 braids all the way back, and whenever I undo the braid, I didn't straighten the hair. My hair was braided for a whole week. I did 2 braids. When I undo the braid, comb it go back straight. Obviously, it's a little bit wavy for like 30 minutes or so, a whole day, but it does not stay wavy at all. It really is true to being straight. I haven't straightened this hair. Whenever I buy hair, I do hair, okay? So I know how to kind of take care of hair. I don't put any chemicals on my hair. I don't put any leave-in conditioner, any shiny things. Yes, sometimes, like whenever I just got the hair, whenever I did it, I put a leave-in conditioner just a little bit. That was since I make this hair as a wig. That was a month ago. I haven't put nothing on the hair. Whenever you put hair products and chemicals in your hair, it make your hair look heavy, and make it look thin, you know what I mean? But whenever you leave it the way it is, it make it look bouncy, air can go through it, it make it look super natural. But if you have too much stuff in the hair, it's kind of heavy and make it look too heavy. You don't want to do that. So yeah, so I make this wig myself. I bought the bundles and I sew it as a wig. If you watch my videos, you like wigs, I am able to make you a wig and mail it back to your house, and I promise it will come to you, because yes, it really will. Yes, it does shed a little bit. It does shed, but not that much. But my hair is very long, so it is gonna shed and it is gonna tangle. And honestly, sometimes when I've had hair, like I do have the hair from V Hair. Oh, it's behind this door. But it does get really tangled on the back. This hair being so long, look at it. I'm not saying that it's not gonna tangle in the back when you get sweaty. It will, but once you comb it, like, it doesn't get tangled like constantly, like probably very rare. And when you comb it, it untangle. So that's how you can tell if your hair is if your hair is human hair, if your hair is good hair. The back, if the back tangle so much and the back tangle all the time, that hair is not good hair. That hair have more synthetic than human hair. You can tell from the back, okay? Yeah, and I didn't put nothing on this hair. It stays straight. I plucked the hair. It was 3-part closure, but I pluck it multiple times to give me, you can't really see it because I've kind of closed it. But yeah, I can part it anyhow because I pluck it 3 times so that way I can do side, middle, and whatever. This hair is 100% human hair. If it does have some synthetic hair, I'm gonna go ahead and say probably like 80% human hair and then the rest synthetic. But you're doing a gamble whenever you buy hair from any site, from any vendor on Aliexpress, not even Aliexpress, any expensive company you bought from, you are doing a gamble. Because they also have a vendor that they bought hair from, either China, whatever country you're from. They go through vendors, you know what I mean? So I was gonna go into the hair business and I see the process, so that's why I'm trying to give you my honest opinion. Every single company go through vendors, so they also buy hair from people in China or whatever places. So yeah. But this hair, as you can see, I haven't straightened the hair. I haven't put nothing on the hair. It's still holding. It's still good. I do put edge control, like I use the Hicks edge control. Do this. I don't know how to say it in English. I think it's rub it. Do this and then put it in the middle, so that way, sometimes some hair was sticking up, but put the edge control in your hand and then do like this and it stays. I don't do that every day, maybe like once a week, but only in the top, and then I wash my hand. I try my best to not make the edge control goes on the actual hair like this, because it'll make it look heavy and make it look thin. I won't do that, honey. Whenever you have weave, keep in mind, you treat the hair like this is your hair. You take good care of it. But you just don't put too much product in it. I'm not using the actual wig baby hair. Yes, I did pluck it and I didn't make baby hair from this wig. Y'all can't really see, but I did make some baby hair from this wig, but I'm not using it. What I did here is I take my edges in the front. It's my actual hair. So I'm doing this on camera. Oh my god. It's okay. I take my edges, put in the front, put the edge control. The reason why it stays like this strong and all day, honey, I go to work with this and it will be like this tomorrow too, but I take a shower, it come up. I use the Got To Be glue. The Got To Be glue, if you're gonna use it, make sure you buy the one in the black container, because the black container, the gel inside is clear. The yellow one, the gel inside is whitish. That will leave it some flaky and whatever. Whenever I use the Got To Be glue, first I will wet my toothbrush, make sure it's wet, and then by doing that, I'm mixing water with the gel, so that way it doesn't give me any whitening. These edges will not move, like it will stay like that. Big up front. I don't use any concealer. Again, this wig, the closure, I think it was kind of dyed, because if you see it's kind of brown. I did not dye it. It came like that, which is great. I didn't have to put any concealer. It came like that. I'm gonna take this off to give you guys a really good review. See, it's kind of brown. I did that hole right there. See, it's kind of brown. That's the way it came. That's great. So you don't have to really dye it. And when you buy this hair, it really will come within 3 days, less than a week. Okay, now let's put this bad boy back on. There you go, snatch. So let me show you how this hair look. Nice. How this hair look. Well, right now it's not combed. But so this is it. This is it. Cardi B said it. Cardi B said it. Okay, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so this is the video. I hope you guys like it. Anything you don't like, or if you do like, don't be afraid to put in the comment, or you can email me, you can direct message me. I'm a pretty chill person, you know. Yeah, you can do all that, but I'm looking forward to see you guys comments, you guys, anything you guys do. I will always reply. I try my best to reply. I work all day, and after work I go do people hair, come home, take a nap. And follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. I don't have a lot of followers, you know. I wasn't into the social media thing, but now I'm getting into that. So follow me on Instagram. It's Henrika. I changed my name. So my Instagram name now is Henrika Beauty, just like my thing, Henrika Beauty. So my Instagram is Henrika Beauty also. I convert my Instagram to 100%. I don't know, something cute. It's just cute, professional, you know what I mean? So follow me on Instagram, please, and I appreciate that. So you can follow my journey and follow how this queen flourish. Bye guys, I miss y'all. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.